Here we have two powerful oils, and I'll let you know the oils we have. The first one we have here is our evening primrose oil, and the other is our tocopherol acetate oil, also known as vitamin E oil. Now let's take a good look at these two oils. Evening primrose oil. On comedogenic rating, evening primrose ranks 2 to 3, which means it has a very moderate chance of clogging the pores, and this makes it suitable for all skin types. Evening primrose contains gamma linoleic acid, GLA, which is a very rare omega-6 fatty acid that is found in plants. This makes evening primrose, in my opinion, one of the very best carrier oils to be used for any skin type. Coming to the benefits of evening primrose can actually reduce acne. It also helps to cure eczema. It soothes, nourishes, and glows the skin effortlessly. It's also very great for hormonal imbalance, especially in a case of high prolactin. This is to mention but a few. When it comes to moisturizing, evening primrose beats a lot of other carrier oils. I'll be talking specifically on evening primrose in another video, so you can stay tuned, stay subscribed so you can get that video when it drops. Now let's come to vitamin E oil. Tocopherol acetate, also known as vitamin E oil, is a very powerful antioxidant. One fun fact about vitamin E oil is that it doesn't just contain only vitamin E, but also contain other vital vitamins. It has an extraordinarily healing property. It shields the skin from UV rays and definitely sun damage. It gives a super moisturizing to the skin. It's non-comedogenic and very versatile in almost all cosmeticals. There are several varieties of vitamin E oil, including tocopherol acetate, alpha D tocopherol oil, beta gamma tocopherol, and even delta tocopherol. If it's just for a DIY, yes, you can use the capsules, although you may have to use a whole lot. In measurement, I have a ratio of 60 to 40. Evening primrose oil is 60 grams, while the tocopherol acetate is 40 grams. This is especially for a very dry skin, and the oil will be very thick and a little greasy in consistency. If you want it less greasier than this, you can make it a ratio of 20-80. That means evening primrose is 80 grams, while vitamin E oil is 20 grams. So I'm going to have this mixed together. Now, after explaining both oils, imagine a mixture of the two powerful oils. This oil combo is not going to lighten your skin in any way, but it's going to give you a very beautiful glow. Whether you're dark skin or fair skin, this oil is an absolute choice. Now, this oil does not need an extra antioxidant to keep its shelf life because it has lots of vitamin E. How amazing. This oil does not also need pH to be checked because it's totally anhydrous. Now see how easy this oil is, considering the beautiful benefits that it will offer the skin. Also remember that we have all your carrier oils and essential oils in stock, so you can definitely shop from us with the link in the description box below. Now this oil gives an instant glow, as you can see from my hands. Please endeavor to like this video and support me by subscribing. I would love to see you again in my next video. Bye.